Ever wish AI would fix its own mistakes? Discover AI self-correction loops and take 100% control of your output quality. Master AI with this. Welcome to PromptYES. Have you ever used AI and thought, this is good, but it's not perfect? Maybe it missed a nuance. Or the tone wasn't quite right. Or it simply needed that extra layer of polish. Relying on a single prompt often leads to good enough AI output. But for those who master AI, good enough is never the goal. Today, we're unlocking a powerful, yet surprisingly simple, technique: AI self-correction loops. This isn't about repeatedly asking the same question. It's about making AI its own toughest critic and meticulous editor. The secret to consistently flawless, high-quality, and strategically optimized AI output. So, what exactly is an AI self-correction loop? Think of it as training AI to conduct its own quality control. Instead of a single, ask and receive, interaction, you guide the AI through a multi-step process. First, it generates its initial output. Then, you prompt it to critically evaluate that output against specific criteria you provide. Finally, you instruct it to revise and improve based on its own critique. It's an iterative feedback loop, all contained within your conversation with the AI. No coding, just smart prompting. Why is this essential for PromptYES masters? Because it pushes AI beyond its default settings. It transforms AI from a basic responder into a diligent, reflective assistant. This leads to unparalleled precision, dramatically reduced errors, and output that perfectly aligns with your exact strategic needs. It's how you move from basic AI generation to truly polished, publication-ready results. Let's break down how to implement these self-correction loops. It typically involves 3 key prompt types, used in sequence. Step 1. The initial generation prompt. This is where you give AI its primary task. Be clear, concise, and provide all necessary context. For example, draft a concise, engaging social media post announcing our new eco-friendly product line. Focus on generating excitement for sustainability. Step 2. The self-critique prompt. This is the magic step. After the AI delivers its first draft, you immediately follow up. You ask the AI to critically assess its own previous response. You provide the specific criteria for this critique. For our social media post example, your critique prompt might be: review the social media post you just generated. Identify 3 ways it could be more engaging for an environmentally conscious audience. Also, point out any sentences that sound generic or lack strong calls to action. Provide your critique in bullet points. Step 3. The revision prompt. Once the AI has self-critiqued, you instruct it to apply those insights. Your revision prompt could be: based on your critique above, please revise the social media post to address all the points you identified. Make it more engaging, specific, and add a strong, clear call to action that encourages immediate interaction. The AI will then generate a new, improved version. You can repeat this loop if needed, refining your critique prompts for even higher precision. Let's look at some diverse examples, no coding required. Example 1. Refining a business report summary. Initial. Summarize the key findings from our Q3 sales report for an executive audience, focusing on financial performance. Critique. Review that summary. Is it truly executive level? Does it highlight the most critical insights for decision-making, or just state numbers? Is it concise enough for someone with limited time? Propose 2 areas for improvement. Revision. Based on your critique, rewrite the summary making it more impactful and concise for executives, addressing the improvements you suggested. Example 2. Polishing creative writing. Initial. Write a short story opening, 200 words, about a detective waking up to a mysterious sound. Critique. Critique the story opening for originality and suspense. Does it immediately hook the reader? Are there any cliches? Suggest 1 unique element to add and 1 generic phrase to replace. Revision. Rewrite the story opening incorporating your suggestions to heighten suspense and originality, eliminating cliches. Example 3. Optimizing marketing copy for clarity. Initial. Generate 5 headlines for a blog post about advanced prompt engineering. Critique. Evaluate each headline for clarity, impact, and SEO potential. Which one is weakest and why? Suggest how to make the strongest one even better, specifically by making it more action-oriented for an audience new to prompt engineering. Revision. Based on your analysis, revise the strongest headline to maximize its action-oriented appeal for beginners, and improve the clarity of the others. For PromptYES masters, this isn't just about fixing errors. It's about achieving strategic precision. You are teaching the AI to adopt your quality standards, to think critically about its own output, and to iteratively refine its work just like a seasoned professional would. This dramatically enhances the value of every AI interaction. The strategic advantage of self-correction loops is immense. You gain unparalleled control over the quality and direction of AI-generated content. You save time on manual editing and revision. And you foster a deeper understanding of how to truly master your AI tools. It's how you unlock the flawless output you need to build smarter every single time. Your PromptYES challenge. Choose any recent AI output you created. Now, apply the 3-step self-correction loop: initial prompt, critique prompt, and revision prompt. Share your original output and the final, polished result in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to PromptYES for more deep dives into strategic AI systems and advanced workflows. Master AI. Build smarter. Only on PromptYES.